Come on now. The struggle is real all the time. The G's don't want to cooperate. Ever. Oh, I should have a razor blade. There we go. That looks pretty nice. Hit him with a roller again. Oh yeah, that looks proper. Cool. Gotta do the big reveal. It's a big deal when your wife gets a Cricut maker or a Cricut cutter or whatever they are. Be able to make some more absurd stuff soon. New addition to the sawmill today. My wife got a Cricut, so we had to abuse that right away. Here we go. Woo! Introducing the Struggle Maker 2600. Far better name than HM126 Woodland Mills. I mean, really.